Chapter 16: Natural Resources and Pollution. Natural resources. Natural resources are substances which are not man-made. They are found in or on the Earth's crust and in oceans, forests and mountains. Oil, coal, natural gas, metals, and minerals are all examples of natural resources. Rock and soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the Earth's crust. It is formed by breaking of rocks into small pieces over a long period of time. It contains gravel, sand, clay, and humus. The topmost layer has dead leaves, twigs, and decomposed parts of dead animals, which make it very fertile and good for growing plants. This is called humus. On the basis of the size of the soil particles, there are three types of soils. Clayey soil. It is made up of fine and smooth soil particles. It holds a lot of water and little air. Sandy soil. It is made up of bigger soil particles. This type of soil cannot hold much water. Loamy soil. It is a mixture of sandy and clay soil. It is a good soil for growing plants. Rocks are found everywhere on the Earth's surface and under the ground. Rocks such as marble, granite, and sandstone are used to make buildings, while diamonds, rubies, and emeralds are used in making jewelry. Most rocks contain minerals. Metals are extracted from these minerals. Iron, copper, gold, and silver are few examples of metals. Fuels such as coal and petroleum are also natural resources. Crude oil is found under the ground and under the seabed. It is refined to make petrol, kerosene, plastic, and so on. Water. Water is present in the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds, and also underground. It is also present as ice in glaciers and as water vapor in the air. All life forms on Earth depend on water for survival. To fulfill our needs of water, we have also built many dams across the rivers. Dams are used for irrigation and generating electricity. Bhakra Nangal, Hirakud, Nagarjuna Sagar, Rihand, etc. are some of the multipurpose dams of India. Air. Air is all around us. However, we cannot see it. We can only feel air. It is made up of different gases, mainly nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, along with water vapor. Oxygen in the air is necessary for respiration, while carbon dioxide is used by green plants to prepare food. Air is used to turn the blades of a windmill. It is useful to generate electricity. Forests. A larger area where trees grow on their own is called a forest. Forests are very useful to us as they provide us wood, lac, herbs, honey, resin, cane, paper, etc. They provide shelter to wild animals and check floods. They keep the air fresh and cool. They also bring rain. We cut trees for timber and to clear land due to our self-interest. We must plant more and more trees to save our life. Wildlife. Wildlife refers to the animals that live in a forest. People should preserve the wildlife as many kinds of animals and birds have become extinct. Our government has established many wildlife sanctuaries, zoological parks, and national parks to preserve the wildlife of our country. National resources are very precious. We must preserve them for the betterment of mankind. Pollution. Pollution refers to the mixing of dirty things into pure water, air, soil, etc. It makes the resources unhealthy and unusable. It has following three forms. Water pollution. We pollute water resources in different ways. Washing clothes on the river bank, bathing of animals in rivers and ponds, mixing of sewage in rivers and adding harmful wastes of factories in river are some causes of water pollution. Air pollution. Air is polluted by different means. Cars, buses, trucks, and other vehicles produce smoke. It pollutes the air. Similarly, burning of garbage, wastes, coal, and petrol in factories and homes also pollute air. We should try to minimize the burning of fossil fuels. Soil pollution. Soil is polluted when garbage and other non-degradable things are dumped on soil, excessive use of fertilizers, and natural vegetation is removed. Polluted soil has less fertility. Plants do not grow well in polluted soil. Quick recall. Natural resources are substances which are not man-made. Soil is the uppermost layer of earth. It contains rocks and minerals. Water is present in the oceans, seas, rivers, etc. Air is made up of different gases. A large area where trees grow is called forest. People should preserve the wildlife as many kinds of animals and birds have become extinct. Water pollution and air pollution make our natural resources unhealthy.